Hold on, my clicker is like going crazy. That's right, now you keep reeling. You keep reeling, I'll fix it later. How's it going, everybody? On this episode, I'm out with my boys and we're at a raging river slash broken up dam. Hoping we can get on some big old blues, big old flatheads, big old anything, honestly, because there's everything in here. If you guys enjoy this episode, please hit that like, subscribe. Let's get to it. Easy for bait is night crawlers, and then we also got using gills. We're using cut, and we also got live gills. We're gonna toss them all out, see what we get. Abraham wants to take care of his first bait and do some chop bait. He's gonna cut down his first gill and put it on the hook. He's definitely caught some big blues and some big channels before. Now he's going to learn the process of going after them. Right, Abe?
PTSD.
He's a boy of many words. Pick out your sacrifice.
There is only one necessary child.
Is that the one you're going with?
Hey, pick the youngest.
You gotta hold it good.
You gotta pick
Right.
Abe, you gotta pick the youngest. Its parents will miss it more.
All right, now you have to you have to hold them tight. You can't drop them. All right, here's the process.
The sacrifice of the child. The god demands blood.
Right,
the elder gods demand blood.
You got them good?
It shall be given.
Okay, now you gotta do, I'll hold them, you cut. You're gonna cut right straight down here. We're gonna,
it's just like a coloring sheet.
No, not so.
Hey, it's like a coloring sheet, but with
there you go.
extra steps. Cut it
Alright,
out.
there's your first one cut. You're gonna cut right. Yeah.
Yay, you mutilated your first child.
Yay!
Good
your
for
first
you.
cut down.
Your first child killed. Let's go.
I'm so proud of you.
My first melee kill.
Yeah, wash off your hands
All
down there.
right. Now you gotta take care of your base and put them on.
Hey, you gotta lick your hands when you're done.
On you. Dad, how do I wash my handsies?
Just go down there and rinse it off.
Just slow down. You don't have your bait on wrong. Pick your poison. Alright. We're gonna put it through. You see? That's kind of big. Alright. Yeah, we got that awesome big. Small gill.
I sacrificed the youngest like now.
Yeah, they can have fun with the head and that midsection. Maybe that'll get it better. Okay, what do you say?
Yeah.
It's probably the most child-friendly blood sacrifice I've ever seen.
Yeah. Let go there.
Oh, Dad!
Hey!
Dad, fish!
Oh,
It's
Definitely
mine!
fish.
hang on.
Mine!
Turn that camera on. Hit that button.
Sorry.
Here, come get it. Get it.
Oh, it's a little guy. Yeah, it probably is.
It is a big channel.
Yay, our first fishy.
Probably what, 6 pounds? Maybe less.
It's a big, big channel. You see it?
Yeah, I see it. Was that like 8 pounds?
Huh?
Was that like 8 pounds or something?
Oh, he's got messed up. Yeah, it's a 5-pounder.
Yeah.
All right.
Hold on. Let me put this back in and put it
Yeah,
on.
put that rod back in and drill this up. You see how he took it down though? That's what I'm saying when they go to take it down. I mean, we're gonna take it down. Ow, 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 ow.
What, did it fall thorns?
No, they're not thorns, Dave. Spines.
Little teeth. You got him?
Here. Oh, he has
Here.
teeth?
No. Come on. You've held that channel before. Grab. And grab his body. You've held him before. Grab. You got him?
Yeah.
Show his wound on the nose. He's got a really
He ain't
wicked
looking
nose.
too good.
Look at going
Ooh,
close
yeah.
on that. Hey, go him up. Go
Yeah.
him to the camera. This wound. Wicked wound.
Yeah. Saw a carp just jump out there.
So, can I release him?
Huh? I don't want you down here. Nope. I don't want you down here. Nope.
The child.
I'll take the child.
Keep him safe.
Yep.
They've got a nice little channel.
Yee!
Alex has got the next fish.
Get her. I'm gonna go clean off my hands.
Probably gonna be big gar next.
Yay! One fish in.
Yay.
Hopefully more to go.
Yeah.
Hey, no, don't run. Hey, go get it, go get it. Reel down, fast. You got it? Yeah, lift up,
Yeah.
get it out of the rod holder.
Just use the rod holder. Alright, Ted, get
Get it,
down
fight
there.
it, get it out of the rod holder. You got it? Keep it up, keep it up. Oh, did he come off?
Yeah.
Oh, you gotta keep really down fast on it. He's gone.
What do you think it was?
Oh, flathead. It was a slow takedown too.
The rod holder was still in, okay? I couldn't really do it.
Get off flat.
Abe.
Put him.
Wow.
You don't know what a flathead attack looks like. You just assumed there was because Dad said so.
That sucks.
His blue is still there. Gonna be traumatized.
Got it. Here, put the worms on. Come on. Hold on, my clicker is like going crazy. That's right, now you keep reeling. You keep reeling, I'll fix it later. Is it flathead? Hold on, don't, be careful. I'll get him. Heck yeah. It is a flathead, but he's tangled on the, oh my God, we caught the old line. Oh my God, he barely lip hooked too. Barely lip hooked, little thing. I told you they were in here.
He's a tiny guy.
Very tiny. Yeah, another little 3-pounder.
Hang on.
Here.
Do I just put the rod down?
Yeah, I gotta figure out where that line, gotta get that line out. Here. Go show him right up close to the camera. It's like real close to him, Kremers.
Which one?
Oh man. Oh, be careful with him. He can't hurt you. There's nothing on him to hurt you. There's no spines, no nothing. Clean that grass off. Hey, go hand me that blue line puller thing.
Flatheads don't have spines?
No.
Nice.
Yeah, go show that camera. Go show it up close. And that one.
What?
But hold it up for a while and turn it sideways and everything. Like, let them see it. Let the viewers see it. Gotta get this other line. Yeah. Here.
Fish.
Need a flathead. Need a flathead.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah, big baby.
Cheers.
He's daddy.
I feel like flathead.
Can I have it? Can we eat it? Can we eat
Yep.
it? Can we eat it?
Huge drum. He's caught on the log. Huge drum. That's a huge, huge drum. That is a really big drum. That's bigger than any of I've ever caught.
Bigger than the one I caught.
Gosh. Oh, I can't get... That is a big drum.
How big?
Biggest one I've ever caught.
Did he eat all our worms?
That circle hook went into him really good. Here. Take my rod up.
Can I
Wow.
eat them?
That was nice.
Ugh.
Whoa.
Fishy.
That's for PB.
What do you think that is, like 8 pounds?
PB drum. I have never caught one that big before. It may not be the biggest, but that is a monster drum for...
Can I hold it?
What do you think that is, like
Can I help you release it?
No, you're not going to come down there.
Ooh, does it have teeth? Any
Just hold him,
spines?
support him up.
Hey, drums don't have teeth. They're
Huh?
really soft.
No, they have just a soft mouth.
Yeah, like a carp.
Yeah, it's a big one, isn't it?
This is really decent.
Can we eat them?
No, we're not eating them.
It's not even that bad.
I
I know
wonder
lots of
if-
people like to eat them, but that is a big one.
I wonder if part is more than
All right. Lucky for you, you're a new PB. Otherwise, you'd be going out as bait. All right. There he goes. Sort of into the grass, he keeps going into everything else. He's just swimming right back into the sand and right back to me. Now he's gonna go out. There he goes. He'll go out. There he goes. There he goes. He just came right back into the sand, you know, right back up to me. He went right back into my hands again. Trying to release him and he comes back to my hands. That was a very big one.
Would a drum be considered a catfish?
What?
Would a drum be considered a catfish?
Yeah.
Now we just have 2 rods. One's for Alex and one for me.
Okay, we gotta get more worms on there. Well, that was an absolute blast. Caught a new PB drum. Alex caught a nice little flathead, and Abraham caught a nice little channel. What do you guys say to your fish?
Honestly, that was pretty good. So it's like a flathead of a
Abraham?
Pretty chunky.
Pretty chunky. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. We had a lot of fun out here. Thank you.